Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with making ambient music in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is a home page where you can find all the instruments you can access, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with making ambient music. Basically, guys, we have two ways. The first way is to use the pre-made versions. So here in the upper left corner, we have the live loops section next to the tracks, where you can see we can find some pre-made music and loops such as R&B, chill, and so on. And you can use some of the sections right here, such as the chill option might be able to help you to make ambient music. If you need even more options, you have your pack library right here. So let's go and open up the sound library. That's going to open up this shop right here, where we can go ahead and find all the packs we can purchase, such as 8-bit legends, as you can see, Vox melodics, and so on. A lot of the options right here are going to give you a lot of options for making ambiental music. That's going to help you out with finding some pre-made loops that you can then go ahead and edit, and so on. This is how you can start with somebody else's pre-made stuff. If you want to create it from zero, then what you want to do is go into the tracks option right here and get started with adding your instruments. So you'll need some instrument, guys, like the keyboard right here, maybe even some drums, to get started with making your ambiental music. So what you want to do is get started with opening up the instruments one by one. This is going to open up the recording menu, where at the top of the screen you'll have a big red circle. This is going to enable the start recording process, and you can get started playing your music. After you have recorded what you need, in the upper left corner you can click on this edit mode option. That's going to give you a preview of the tracks right here. Then you can get started mixing them, combining them, and so on to get your desired songs. But yeah guys, basically that is how do you get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.